Banana. Banana. We love banana. Palitin ko saging. Habang nakakasilat. Iban, wala pa ba? Pag na store, wala na. Let's see. Saan ko? Ayan na sila dari gagmay. Ay. Gagmay kayo cutie. Cutie. I like that cutie pie. Cutie pie. We're gonna take the other one. We're just gonna get the one. It's not ready yet though. We're gonna go process it. Yeah, we have those. It's only 99 cents. Ayan. Punta tayo sa meat section. Para wala silang ano. Na-offer them. What you want? Patatas di ay. Forget about the patatas. Patatas. Yeah, forget it. Gonna get some patatas, okay? Patatas. Naara ko naman.
Just one potato.
Just one patatas. Oo. Sorry. Patatas nila. Patatas. Kanite. Malito na siya. Siya dito ang pagod may kayo. Also, it's the difference. Patatas. Say patatas. Potatoes. Nakakita sa kapag na patatas. Ayan, andito kami sa grocery store. Grocery kami. Baka naman makalabas. Ayan, grocery si Inday. Grocery si Inday. Inday pa rin na.
I'm not going to lie.
Ayun, ano tayo? Bili tayo ng karne. Tignan natin ang kanilang mga tayo. Ito sa kanila. So, ang mga tawag nito mga dilata. Diyan, tawag nito dilata. Ang dilata. Ang dilata. Ang aking card ay hirap. Nagagam pa ko ano. Magpalit tayo ng matapos. Iubos na ang kanilang mga. Kaya pa kami siya mga dilata. Tignan natin ang atong bugas. Rice and sardines. Asa man ito ang Asian? Wait, Asian foods is right here. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm looking up there. Where is the rice? I'm gonna get the rice. Oh, they don't have no more big rice. My goodness. Where's the big rice? I just saw that. I'm sorry. Where is the big bag of the big rice? Maharap na tanan. Ayan lang ang dakok ng bugas. Kamahal ng kaayo. Kuha na lang tao. Isag mahal. Rice is life. Maharap na tanan. Ayan lang ang bugas. And noodles. Palitag noodles. Miswa. Miswa pala sila dito. Miwa salmon. Ito pala yung miswa nila. Kakaiba. Bakit kakaiba yung miswa nila? I like this. How much is this? Ang mahal naman. Bakit ang mahal? Miwa salmon. Sobra air.
Mama!
What's the difference?
I'm just hungry.
Miwa. Udon. Ah, na sila yung udon. Ay, ang cute. Ang galing-galing. Ito ang kumuna.
Makamak.
Ayun, magkuha tayo nito ilang miswa. Magsabaw tayo ng miswa. Noodles. I remember you, yeah, from the library. Yeah. Ah, okay. Sige. Kimchi.
Hello.
Hello. Uy, nakasama siya. Garbaso beans. I need a beans. Wala akong makita ang beans. I want noodles though. I want noodles.
I'm
Wala
running
tayong-
noodles.
You want what? Country style. Oh, country style noodles. $2. So we're gonna get this one. Ito na lang kunin natin. Meron sila bake. Asa man ang country style. Free veteran, vegetarian bake. Saka nakuha tayo niyan. Baked beans or vegetarian. Magkuha tayo vegetarian pa karon. Guys, yep. Magkuha tayo puro beans. Mag-utot-utot jud tayo. We're gonna get some. Hindi ko na makita yung kanilang beans talaga na ano, yung fine cut. Wala na akong makita. So, I don't know what to get. We still have some sparkles in the house. Yan, naglata. Pork and beans. Oh, may pork and beans sila dito. Magkuha tayo pork and beans. Ayan, kahit ganito lang. Ayan, okay na yan. Mga beans. Wala akong makitang ano. Potato.
Whoopie, 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 whoopie,
Wala akong makitang ano, green beans na ano.
whoopie.
French style. I think these are cut. These are different too. Green beans cut. I think these are big ones. Uy, for $3. Cut extra green. Magkuha lang tayo nito. French style na lang. Wala na may nabiling na fine cut.
Carry, carry,
Punta rin ako ng bibig. Magpalit. Ay, nagugutom na ako. What about noodles? Give it some noodles. Ay, ayan.
mommy,
Chicken, I don't know. Okay.
papi, that's no good, Mama. For
what?
me. What?
Good how I look. Yakisoba. Hindi ko makita kasi. Ayun, kapit. Oo, ang card.
It's okay. Don't run over this. Yeah, yeah.
Let me get some. Ayun. Nagkuha tayo ng noodles ng JP. This.
Bye.
Let's get this one. Let's get here.
Mama, rainbow.
Rainbow. Cheese. Here, right here. Hey, this one, right here. There's a rainbow one.
Michael, get the one that's
4 for $3. Let me get 3. Get 3. We still have some of those though. Just get one in right there. Just get one of them. Okay. Okay. Ayan.
car.
Gonna get some bread. We still have some bread. Oh, we don't have this hamburger bread.
What?
Ano siguro? Ano siguro natin? we are not eating those. We just waste the other time that we buy those because we did not eat it. We are getting the one that we are eating. Things. Things. Where is the one? Hey, Mike. Ooh. He's riding around.
One corner?
What you doing? Hi. Hi. Okay, what else we doing? That's it? I meat. I forget about the meat.
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow. The marshmallow. I want to run somebody.
Run on somebody.
I know, run on somebody. We got wow, problem. Ay, nagutom ako. I feel gutom. Gutom, guys. Gutom. I feel gutom. JP, get up. Okay, ka.
Look away, the food different stinks.
I know. I'm gonna make barbecue.
Mommy, look at that thing.
I know, I'm gonna make a barbecue. I'm gonna make a barbecue.
That's the way I think that I'm going to.
Yummy. Yummy. Looks yummy. Yummy delicious. Let's get some chicken. You stay there, JP, okay? We're gonna get something. Yes, I love it too. Yan po baboy ang ating ginagawa. Ay, at dito mo sa pala. Look, guys, guess what? I am in the store today and see, they don't have no more toilet paper.
Oh my, isn't that ridiculous? Oh my, see guys, ang shelf is gone. I don't know what's going on in the store, but they are all gone. What's going on in this country? Wow. Is that ridiculous? Holy moly. Oh my goodness. So there is no toilet paper. There's no more? Oh my. No more toilet paper. Oh.
See, as you can see on my bot, they don't have anymore. I don't know, but these are ridiculous.
Did you say these down here? That's tissue.
Yeah, it's toilet paper. Yeah, it's a toilet paper.
That's tissue right there.
Yeah, I'm glad I do coupon. I still have a lot of stock.
We are running and we're trying to get some water. But look, shelf is gone. So we cannot get some water. We're just gonna get some. Yep, they don't have no more water. And we're just gonna get some Coke, I guess. They have a lot of Coke, but no water. Yes, sir. No more water, JP. Oh, see? You're gonna get hurt.
Guys, ayan guys, we are done grocery shopping. So we are in the car already. I don't know what's going on, but inside it's crazy. There's no more toileters and mga dilata, mga water like that. Wala na sila guys. So ayan, muuli na lang ta magbutang sa kog gas. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.